Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, which is Unpacking with Mishak Mate. So today I just want to talk about the obsession with few whites to Paul Mashatile and Julius Malema. I don't know if you've realized that it seems like there is a big fight with media against Julius Malema and against Paul Mashatile, because even now there is a written book about Paul, is it Paul van Wyk and this other lady, so against Julius Malema. So like it confirms what I'm already saying, because when you check, Cyril Ramaphosa has done more bad, I believe, than Jacob Zuma. But when you check how the media protects Ramaphosa, you can tell that there is this agenda to protect Cyril Ramaphosa whilst busy with other leaders like Julius Malema and Paul Mashatile, because there is a book that is published, I think it's being sold by Exclusive Books, of Julius Malema. Obviously, they are going to tell more lies about Julius Malema. Yes, there might be some truth in that book, but mostly it will be lies. And I don't know if there is no regulation regarding that someone can just write a book about you. Yes, I understand on newspapers, because you investigate and then you write a particular story, but to just spend your time and write about someone on a book, and that book is like, it's not like Julius Malema recognizes that book, or Paul van Wyk is going to be paid by Julius Malema. She just did that out of her obsession with Julius Malema. And then when you check again, there is another book that is written about Paul Mashatile that is going to reveal a lot of things about Paul Mashatile. Yes, I do understand that there are a lot of bad things that Paul Mashatile has done. There are a lot of own goals that the man has scored, but for them to go at him the way they are going, it is very clear that they want to make sure that it doesn't become the president of this country, even though I believe Cyril Ramaphosa is the last president of the ANC in our country, because I believe that next national elections we're going to punish heavily the ANC because of what they are doing in our country. We see even the likes of Temisa Hospital being looted for like 2 billion. So like you see potholes everywhere. So I doubt that there will be someone in their good minds that are going to vote again to have the ANC back to, power. I doubt, guys. So it is quite clear that there is a fight against exceptional black leaders like your Julius Malema, your Paul Mashatile. Yes, they have their flaws, and like, who doesn't have? But the fight is very clear. It's against black leaders. But when we check with Cyril Ramaphosa, because he's friends with these media people, it becomes simple for him. Like even the Palapala issue is being swept under the carpet. Even now, the guy who looted Temisa Hospital is rumored to be a nephew to this guy, to Cyril Ramaphosa, but no one is talking about it because Cyril Ramaphosa is protected in the media rooms. Like, you don't really or loosely talk about Cyril Ramaphosa because you can easily get fired, because the guy is powerful. So hey, this fight is very clear. So even us as black people or as voters, we really need to be careful with what is going to be written, more especially now as we head into the 2026 local elections. Obviously, there is going to be propaganda bounced like against people like Julius Malema, Paul Mashatile, Emen Mashawa. So as black people, I believe we need to be very careful of what we read on the media, because media is very captured in South Africa. We have seen like how media report the incidents of the DA against the incidents of the EFF or other political parties. So whether we like it or not, the media is captured. So we really need to be careful when we go to vote next year. Danko.